Bonjour, c'est Clara French in the Midlands. Today's video is about the different meanings of foutre. Now, foutre is a slang verb and it can have all sorts of different meanings, which we'll go into in a minute. Now, before we start, let me mention you can claim your free ebook, The 12 Golden Rules of French. It's full of tips and tricks on how to speak French like a native. Just click the link in the description and you can download it straight away. First of all, it's slang for faire. For instance, when you ask someone, qu'est-ce que tu fais? That's neutral for what are you doing? That's fine. Now you could ask, qu'est-ce que tu fabriques? Okay, that's a bit stronger. That's what the hell are you doing? Implying this is taking a long time. What are you doing? And then you got fou. Qu'est-ce que tu fous? And that's the strongest of the three. And it means what the hell are you doing? As in what the F are you doing as well. So that's as strong as it gets. Foutre can also be slang for fish. And I'm going to give you a few expressions with that. First of all, standard expression, je m'en fiche. I don't care. That's neutral. Now if you say je m'en fous, that's I really don't care. That's a lot stronger. J'en ai rien à foutre is even stronger. So that's the difference between I don't care and I don't give a damn, if you like. Je m'en fous or j'en ai rien à foutre. And then another expression, fiche-moi la paix, leave me alone, can become fous-moi la paix, leave me the hell alone. Much stronger again. It can also be slang for mettre. Mettre is to put. For instance, if you say to someone, oh, mets-le dans ton sac, put it in your bag, that's neutral. Now, if you were angry and you say, well, bloody put it in your bag or stick it in your bag, that would be fous-le dans ton sac. And the tone of voice would be totally different. It also means se moquer de, to laugh at. Of course, se moquer de is standard. Se foutre de is way stronger. For instance, you could say to someone, vous vous moquez de moi? Are you laughing at me? Are you taking the mickey? Or if you were really angry, vous vous foutez de moi? Are you taking the piss? And that really is what it means. Obviously, this video wouldn't be complete if I didn't teach you how to say get lost in French. As usual, you've got two levels. You've got va te faire voir, just get lost, go away. If you say vous to someone, allez-vous faire voir. And you've got the stronger version of that, va te faire foutre, or allez-vous faire foutre, if you say vous to someone, which is get lost as in F off. Be careful when you talk to people. If you don't know them, if you're not in a position to insult anyone, just stick to the standard va te faire voir or allez-vous faire voir. That's the safest. And that's it for now. Thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. À bientôt.